Hello my friends, I had to go to town today. So I'm plundering around a little bit. Thought I'd pick up something for takeout dinner for the wife and I tonight. And I thought I'd share this little ditty with you. I think I'll call it Ringtones Forgetful Old Men. What happened was about, I don't know, a week or two ago, I changed the ringtone on my telephone. I went on YouTube and picked up one of my best videos, best sounding horns, and I made my ringtone a train horn. Well, nobody's called me lately and I forgot all about it. I'm driving down the road here a while ago and I kept hearing a train horn blowing, forgot all about me changing the ringtone. I thought, what the heck, maybe my camera has came on. I'm fumbling around in the seat looking for the camera. Where's my cell phone? Maybe YouTube is playing. It finally quit ringing and I said, oh, I know what it was. Checking, his wife had been calling me. But it sounded so realistic, I was even looking out the windows here to see if there was a train coming because I was approaching the crossing at Every End Road down there. So I was very close to our train crossing at the time, so it really had me confused. So that's the result of getting old and forgetful. Maybe next time I hear a train horn blowing, I'll answer my phone. Be crossing the road sometime and try to answer my phone and get run over by a train. Might really be a train coming. I'll still be looking both ways. Anyway, ooh, where you going, lady? Get out of the middle of the road. Why would somebody be in the middle of the road?